fireworks, which cost 2 for £20. Got fireworks safety. There's some sparklers at the bottom. I think this is. So what you get is 2 rockets, 11 fireworks, 3 shot tubes, and 1 multi-shot. 21 shot.
21 shot.
It's got 21 fireworks in one.
21 shots it fires.
21 fireworks go up.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
I think we did this the last time.
Yeah, it's the same one.
It comes
Was it Twilight last time?
No, but
It's virtually the same, isn't it?
yeah, but some
It
of them,
comes with
some of
so
them are the
many
same.
fireworks.
Now we're gonna do varsity.
Yeah. What was that? Oh, no. Is it the fire?
Yeah, stand it up.
It's not good. Right.
Go. Light it.
Look at that's my running space. When I see it sparkle.
Fountain, I think. Whoa! Is that it? One shot?
Ah! It was so big!
Yeah, one shot though.
But it's still on fire.
All that for one shot?
But it was cool! It went like, ah!
Yeah.
That's
What did you do?
It, ah!
Yeah, it went shot up. There's only one shot though.
We should have got loads of them. That would be good. We should
Yeah,
have just
it's
got
empty. Single shot.
These. Should have just got them.
What does this say?
And I'm going to light Veracity.
Let's see what this one does.
She didn't be scared.
You pushed it into the ground.
Yes.
Keep holding it until it goes. You got time. Hold it.
Just no. I am.
The blue thing. Touch it.
I am.
Let's see what we... Whoa! One shot wonder. Well, it was good, one shot.
Where is it? This one. Can I do one now?
Yeah, wait.
Can I do